Demystifying, finna, unveiling its meaning and use. Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll be diving deep into the world of modern English slang, focusing on the word, finna. This term might have puzzled you if you've heard it in songs, conversations, or online discussions. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Finna is a colloquial contraction of the phrase, fixing to. It originates from African American Vernacular English, AAVE, and over time, its use has spread to a wider audience, especially in the realm of pop culture and social media. The term is primarily used to express a future intention or a plan. Now, let's dive into some examples to see how finna can be used in sentences. 1. I'm finna go to the store. 2. This means, I'm planning to go to the store. 3. She finna take a nap soon. 4. Translation. She's about to take a nap soon. 5. They aren't finna understand this slang. 6. Here, it's saying, they probably won't understand this slang. Remember, while finna is commonly used in informal settings and among younger generations, it might not be appropriate in more formal contexts or with audiences unfamiliar with the term. Finna has gained popularity in recent years, especially in music and social media platforms. You might hear it in rap songs, tweets, or casual conversations among the youth. Its rise in popularity is a testament to the evolving nature of language, as words and phrases from specific cultural or regional contexts gain wider acceptance. There you have it, folks. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of what finna means and how to use it. As with any slang, the key is to understand the context in which it's appropriate to use. We hope you found this video enlightening. Stay curious, and keep exploring the fascinating world of language.